Hi guys, welcome back to another video on Scylla's Stuffing Things. It is Thanksgiving Day, and for me that means it's like the Super Bowl of cooking. So come hang out with us, see how I do things. It's just gonna be our immediate family, like myself, Asa, Abigail, Isaiah, and then my parents are coming over. So I'm cooking a full dinner, and let's get cooking. We gotta get this baby into the oven. We bought a 14-pound butterball this year. I think it's the smallest turkey I've ever cooked, but nonetheless, it's gonna be awesome, and I'm gonna show you how I get it ready. So here we go. So of course you have to take it out of the packaging. You need to rinse it off. You have to get all of the things, right? All the insides, you gotta get them out. It's eviction time, folks. So I'm super excited. I've got my big roasting pan here. And this year, for the first time ever, I'm gonna be using Tony Chachere's Injectables Creole Style Butter Marinade. I'm so excited about that. I also bought a thermometer to keep into my turkey so I don't have to keep like pulling it out and checking the temp, pulling it out, you know, that whole thing. So I'm gonna get this packaging off and get him all rinsed off, and then I will show you what we do next. Okay, we got her. She is rinsed out. Now, I personally take the neck and the giblets and I put them in the bottom of my roasting pan because I'm gonna use them later to make my gravy. So don't throw them out, they're awesome. Now, other little tip, I cook my turkey upside down. I know. It's like a thing, actually. So a couple years ago, I did it on accident. It was the best turkey we ever had. But then come to find out, it was like a thing that people were actually doing. So I've done it ever since. And it's gonna give you the juiciest turkey. So that's my little tip about that. And then I also like to use a Poultry Blend. So this is gonna have different herbs and stuff to put in your turkey. You have to decide whether you want to stuff it or not stuff it. We do stuffing in our turkey, and then I make a stuffing for the like on the side. And then I use onion and green onion and parsley and garlic. And then again, I'm using this injectable marinade this year. So here we go. I'll show you once I have her all done and we're putting her in the oven. So I went ahead and took some of the marinade out of here so we can use it later because you don't want to put this back in there. Then I have my syringe, right? So then I'm just gonna go into the turkey and not there because you don't want it. There we go. Squeeze that in there. How cool is that? So it's gonna get fully in, and like I said, I already took my stuff out, so I'm okay with putting this back in here. Fill it up again and squeeze into your turkey. Go on this side. You can see your little turkey like kind of expand when you're doing this. Giving her some Botox. Okay guys, we're ready. So I did put a thermometer in here. First time I've ever used this, but I'll leave the link for this because it's pretty neat. So I just set that to the temperature, which I'm gonna do 180. And I'm gonna put her in. Look at that. It's like it was made for it. And then we're just gonna stick this on the outside. Look at that. And then it has a little alarm. You can come up and check the temperature so you don't have to keep opening the oven. Like, oh, I'm so excited. Okay, there we go. Turkey is in the oven. I went ahead and set out all my different ingredients for the different dishes that I'm going to be making today. But next up is an apple pie. Now, your girl's never made a homemade apple pie. I'm not a baker. I don't like baking. Like, it's not my thing. But we have to have apple pie. So I am going to cheat with the pie crust. This is what we're using because, I mean, Pillsbury did it right. They nailed it like years ago. So why not use them? Wish me luck. I'm gonna be baking an apple pie. I have another question for you. Okay, if you cook Thanksgiving, do you like get up and, first of all, do you cook the day before? I do not. I cook the day of. My family knows that we eat when we eat. They don't put pressure on me because I'm terrible at timing things. And I just like doing it that way. But do you get ready before you start cooking? I am in my pajamas still, and then like midway through cooking, I will go and take time to get ready. So what do? Do you cook? Do you get fully dressed? I gotta know these things. I just need to know. Oh my goodness, we're making some apple pie. I've never made apple pie, y'all. Comment down below, let me know what's your favorite pie you have to have for Thanksgiving. So, fun fact, I'm not a huge pie fan. I'm just not. But I like the apple part of the pie, not the actual like crust. So I just buy it store-bought. This is not important to me. What do you think, Ab? This is pretty cool, huh? You can sit here and watch Mom. Oh, and we're getting ready to make some Prosecco mimosas with apple cider. So that's gonna be fun. Okay, the apple pie, it's looking good, isn't it? Mm-hmm. And Asa is gonna do the lattice work because, you know, that's a thing. We also have the mac and cheese going down over here. I am getting ready to add all the cheeses, and you can go right here to see my video for my mac and cheese recipe. I'm constantly adding different cheeses, so just add what you want. I've called in the big guns, y'all. I want to go get in the shower, so I like to peel away from me.
Okay.
Yeah, works way better.
It does.
He is going to peel our potatoes and our sweet potatoes for mashed potatoes and yam casserole. We've got the macaroni and cheese is ready when I'm ready. And oh my gosh, do you want to see it? It looks so pretty. Look at you, Martha Stewart. I knew you were the right guy for the job.
Without the prison.
I knew it.
Tax evasion.
Okay, I'm going to baste the turkey one more time before I go get in the shower. So good. So pretty. It looks like the store-bought.
Does it?
But it's going to taste better.
It'll taste better.
Okay, so we have to put it in there 40 to 50 minutes.
Set a timer for 40 minutes.
Got the potatoes boiling. All right, so we've got those. And then Isaiah's coming to cut these sweet potatoes. They are tough. So I'm gonna boil those, and then I'm gonna get my corn casserole going. This is our infamous corn bake. I know there's so many different recipes, but this is ours. And you can find that on my channel as well. So this is my recipe that my mother-in-law taught me. Alrighty, we got our mashed potatoes. I am going to put them in here with all my ingredients. Corn bake going in the oven. Here we go. It's a little chaotic in here right now. Isaiah just took Abby for a ride because we're doing the mashed potatoes. I'm off on my timing today, but that's okay. We'll get there. And we've got the yams boiling, so I gotta like take a halfway break and get things cleaned up though, because I'm going crazy. So I don't know, do you cook as you go, or do you just keep on going? I mean, do you clean as you go, or do you keep on going? Because I can't do it. It's driving me crazy. Mac and cheese going in. And I think I forgot to show you guys, but I do have a ham up there, and we've got that going. That's an hour and a half that has to warm up. So let's check on our turkey. We're at 164, which is really good. And it's time to do some more basting. Oh my goodness, y'all. Oh, okay. Look at that. And all those juices down in the bottom, that's how we're gonna make our gravy. So do not get rid of them. Are you ready?
So ready.
Okay, so we have to flip it, because like I said, Oh my goodness, look at that. I cook it upside down. So we want that other side to get the browning.
Ooh.
Do you need help?
Yeah.
Okay. Sorry guys, gotta go help. I have to say it's hard to keep up with this today. Okay, we have flipped the turkey. It is now browning on the right side. We have the ham, the macaroni and cheese, corn bake in the oven, and the yams just finished. So I am mashing those by hand, okay? And then we have our green bean casserole. That's all put together and it'll just have to go in the oven. I think we're almost finished. Holy cow. And I still have a mess, so I gotta get that taken care of. Everything is officially in the oven. The oven is working amazing. I'm super impressed. We had to put the corn bake down by itself because it needs a little TLC. Ham is all ready to go, and our turkey. And then I have mashed potatoes and our apple pie. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, thanks for hanging out. I hope you had a great Thanksgiving with your family, and we will see you next time. Bye, guys.
Okay, that's good, honey.
You're the official gravy maker.
Well, Aunt Sherry was.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Well, you know, I did my Tony Chachere's Cajun turkey in honor of Aunt Sherry and Uncle Steve.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
Good.
Oh my goodness. Here we go. It's ready. And then we've got this. Oh my gosh. Let's eat.
Just the two of us in the castle in the sky. Just the
With the monkey shoulder it.